So, you wouldn't drink the bleach?
No.
But the president's telling you the bleach kills the virus.
Yeah, have somebody else drinks it. See what happens. No.
That's not the neighbor.
He also said you should swallow a light, Parker.
No! He's making bad choices.
He's making bad choices, Parker says. That's kind of crazy. Maybe we should tell everybody not to drink the cleaners.
Hey, by the way, you can play with me in Roblox. I just look like this. I just besides
You like mine?
my other prank kit.
9 o'clock and the prank kit came. This is going to be an exciting.
Mine's coming too. My thing's coming.
And then I got my first. It's a
It's like the color. It's
DIY
like the
diamond painting.
It's like the painting by.
Paint by numbers.
by numbers.
Yeah, but it's diamonds. It's going to be a giraffe.
I thought you ordered the flamingo.
No, I was looking at the
He's
peacock,
not
but it was
gonna
just
show
too
you
much.
himself.
Alright, so we're doing something out of the norm for now. We are taking a little road trip today to our uncle's farm, my brother's farm.
Yeah, he has tilapia and he has tadpoles and all kinds of stuff like that.
And normally we wouldn't be around people, but they've been socially distant just as long as we have been, so we feel comfortable going to their house and just kind of being around them. It's still a little nerve-wracking, but it's going to be a good little trip. So it's about 45 minutes from our house. I don't think you haven't gone anywhere more than like 10 miles from the house, right? To work? Yeah, so we haven't been anywhere out of like a 10-mile radius in 43 days. So, and he's got some supplies. We brought our gloves with us. We brought masks with us. Sanitizer. Yeah. So we'll see how it goes. We are at a blueberry farm that actually, unfortunately, is going under. And there's a ton of people. It's like, so many people. But they're going to keep their distance. If not, I'm going to hit them with a shovel. But they're selling all their blueberry plants.
Oh, we don't like dig it?
Yeah, we've got to dig it up. It's kind of crazy how many people. Oh my god.
Why did you think to bring trash bags?
I did not think to bring trash bags. It's kind of sad. Everybody picking these poor people's blueberries like scavengers. Oh, we got our blueberries. $5 a bush. So we got 3. Cows. Nope, those are cows. Big cows.
So he holds the orange in his mouth and then he crunches it down and like pours it out. So you're gonna feed him like this, or your fingers are not in his mouth. Okay. Oh yeah, look at that. Ooh, orange slobber. Can't see you, that's why he doesn't.
Call him.
Oh, in front of him.
The door.
No.
Don't go behind him. You don't walk behind the donkey.
He doesn't usually take, but you never know. What you getting, buddy?
He's still chewing.
Oh, now he's ready.
Well, don't stretch your hand out so he can get it.
Look at this goat. You're like the animal whisperer.
So the donkey is like a big cat. Yeah. Which means if you stop petting him, he'll bite you. Just so you keep petting him. He does this new thing where if you're on the ground, he'll actually lay on top of you.
Where's this goat? It's so funny. Hi. Hello.
Oh, so he's coming.
He's coming for you? He's starting to make his own honey.
So they do their thing. That's cool. And it's weird hobby. It takes about 6 months to really get into it. And within 6 months, you're either going to kill all of your bees or double down and get more hives.
How many bees did you buy?
I didn't count them.
Like they don't tell you?
How do you buy bees? Do you buy them in a bushel?
So you, without getting too technical, you basically buy what's called a super, which is about 3 to 5 racks of honey. So you've got honeybees, you've got larvae, you've got the queen bee, this, that, and the other. So you put 5 of these things into there.
In a box?
Yes. So there's 5 empty ones and 5 filled ones, and they fill out.
Oh, okay. How much does the 5 things cost?
$150.
Well, that's not bad.
But that's without the boxes with everything else. They come in a transportable box. So the setup on the left-hand side, the super deep was $20 for the box. The bottom piece was 10 and the board was 5. So you're looking at $40 plus $150, so about $190 for one.
Okay.
Pavers on the ground beneath them, and then they get about 3 or 4 inches of sand. So when they dig down, they can't really.
Oh, there's one behind the.
That's in the other one. We'll go check out next.
Oh.
And here we've got.
Hi, baby chicks.
Yep.
Something just dripped on me.
Water. Okay.
See the baby. Can we see if there's any eggs?
Yeah, they're right here. On that tiny little chicken. Yeah, she's feisty. So what?
She'll bite you if you reach in there. You gotta get her off Vic.
Ah.
Oh, there's some eggs. Carter, look. Parker, go ahead. You can reach in there and grab the egg.
Can I hold them?
Grab the other one.
Don't grab.
There we go.
Where do we put them?
Just hold on to them. She's sitting on them. That's why.
I don't know if there's
There's the bunnies.
You put them in the incubator and then you hope that they are.
Hi, bunny.
I actually have some in the incubator right
So here.
Hello.
And then
Oh, the baby bunny.
is it what?
Wait, I don't want to drop him.
Well,
Hold
then put
on.
your phone. These are just egg layers.
so
But
cute.
when you hatch
He
them
is
out,
cute.
there's like a
He's
50
tiny.
male, 50 female rate.
Usually.
So what we'll probably start doing is the males, those are the ones we'll probably eat.
I know,
Yeah.
bunny.
Here.
Aw.
There's 8 babies.
Put them back.
Oh, there's a lot of babies.
You said there's 8?
Pigs.
People, pigs.
You guys have been digging like crazy today.
Can we feed them?
Can you feed them?
Yeah.
You're asking Bobby. I don't know if she fed them today.
I don't care if they feed them. It's fine.
Okay.
You know what Maple really likes? The gray one?
Eggs.
Ew.
It's gross.
Stop eating this stuff. Can I really likes it.
You want to try?
Oh, you want to try?
I was gonna say, wait,
I do this and then.
You can do it, or you can hit it against
get
here.
his glove, 'cause he's gonna accidentally
Is there
drop
one that I can?
Yeah, pick up your glove first.
I can do
Here,
another
hand me
one.
the glove.
Find another one. Bobby, can you grab another egg from the house? And then put Max in? Oh, if you
Can
want
you
to
just give him the whole egg?
That's fine, that'll work.
Oh, there you
Oh,
go.
there you go. Oh. Yeah, just throw it
Oh,
right in
now
his
he
head.
can't get the other part. Why would you just...
Now he doesn't know where it is.
It's fine. She'll find it.
Oh, it's behind you, buddy.
It's behind you, piggy.
Don't let the other one get it.
He's not a huge
Nope.
fan of eggs as much as she is.
I think he's blue.
Like he'll eat it, but
To this farm, what's awesome is you have to wash your hands before you shop, and you got to follow the arrows. And then there's a hand washing station, and so it's really good because you know you're keeping your distance from people. Everybody's got their masks on, and it was good. We're home and in the pool. I got to take a nap. Dad's taking a nap.
Like this.
I know, it was glorious.
We saw the doggy at Uncle V's.
Yeah, the dog is fun at Uncle V's house. We didn't do a lot of video. Well, no, I did. I did some of the animals and. So you had fun at Uncle V's? Did you
Yeah.
did you have fun at Uncle V's?
Yeah.
Good.
Did you want me cracking the egg?
Yeah, I got you cracking the egg. Did you have fun at Uncle V's?
Yeah.
What was your favorite part?
Pulling the bunny.
Holding the bunny.
Yeah. Okay, Baba, I'm doing the sweep.
And you liked holding the bunny too, you said, right?
I'm doing the sweep. Bye-bye.
Yeah. And then after we're at the farmer's market, the lady said that her neighbor had eggs for sale. Daisy, leave those plants alone. And so we drove to his driveway and he had
Did you have this?
farm fresh eggs for $2 a dozen. So we got 2 dozen
You
eggs.
have this? You can do this. Like on
And fresh blueberries we have now, and tomatoes. Our tomato plant's producing, but
It's so cool.
these ones are ready to go, and we've eaten all our tomatoes.
My
So
hand holds me up on the water.
that's good.
I would mess it up.
And tonight we're gonna do the diamond art, right?
No, pool beach.
You can do perler beads, and I'll do the diamond art.
I will do the diamond art.
Okay. So this is my diamond. Oh, it's sticky. Okay, so that's sticky. Gotta be careful. And then it comes with the gels. And then this is a tray you put the stuff in and how you place the pens. So it looks like they have numbers. The numbers correspond with the numbers on the bag, which corresponds with letters. Or numbers. Okay.
When we were at our uncle's house, Mom went to the farmer's market.
The farmer's
We
market.
we got eggs and these blueberries, like the tree that
They're
we got.
so good.
and never mind.
Okay.
These blueberries.
So it looks
are
like this thing. You stick the pen in there and it has a sticky.
These blueberries are delicious and
They look so
sour.
good, yeah.
Yeah,
And
they're
then
super sour.
I'm
Summer.
placing them. I don't know how well you can see it. Just down on there.
Oh, that one was a little sour.
It's kind of fun.
Yeah, I want to do
This is
some.
very much a no-brainer thing.
Mm.
I'll have you do the other side in a second. My mom loved
And, like,
giraffes,
yeah,
so I
and-
ordered this one. Here, do you want to do a couple?
Oops, I got two. Make sure this goes up.
Make sure you put it right on the number. And don't get your hands on the sticky.
I think it needs more sticky.
No, I don't think so. Oh, not as sticky anymore. It's kind of relaxing. Oh. So while I'm working on my thing, this is where I did all the black ones. Parker is doing
Slenderman!
Slender Man out of perler beads.
Yes. He's probably easy because he has like tentacles, which like I can just do like two, like I can just like do like two pull beads together. Like first I'm doing the legs because he's pretty tall.
Okay, slender.
Yeah, or Dad sailed up it.
Or finished his Slender Man. Pretty cool. Decided to make guacamole for dinner. Because in quarantine, you can eat guacamole for dinner. Amazingness.